Hello once more. I've come back to you with a little more on while loops, simply because I think it's useful to have at least one other demonstration of how they work. The code I'm going to do here is a little more sophisticated than the previous one I did, which is this one here. You can see I've commented it out with triple quotes. And this one is actually going to be, let's say, while loops Italy. It's not a great comment, but there you go. Okay, let's do this one. This is more like a quiz. Okay. It's a very simple quiz. There's only one answer. So, answer is a variable equals input. What is the capital of Italy? Okay. Answer equals answer dot title. It's a cute little kind of trick, little method that will essentially convert what you type in to a string that begins with a capital letter. So if you type in the correct answer, which of course is Rome, if you type it in the wrong manner to which it would like, then this should convert it. We'll give this a go and we'll see. So let's do the while loop again. While answer bang. Bang means exclamation mark and equals, which is the not. While answer is not Rome, so the answer should be Rome. While it's not Rome, we'll say answer equals input incorrect. Try again. This is an extremely forgiving quiz because it basically lets you do it again and again until you get it right. I should really put a space there. Okay. Incorrect, try again. And again, just to make sure that it does it, it forces it. Answer equals answer dot title. And of course, as in the previous one up here with the ice cream, if it is the case that it's Rome, in other words, this is a conditional check. While it is true to say that the answer is not Rome, then do this. But once it's false to say that the answer is not Rome, which of course is a double negative, which of course means if you actually type in Rome, then you'll say print, yes, the answer is Rome. Well done. Now this is super simple. There's all kinds of ways that I could have stored this into the answer, and I could have done all of that. I'm just doing this as a simple demo of while loops more than anything else. Okay, I think that's looking okay. I'm going to run this and see how it goes. So save, file, save as. Good name. While loops demo Italy. .py. Good. Click on yes. Let's run it. Okay, that's my previous code from my other demo. What is the capital of Italy? Naples. No. Okay, let's say Paris. No. Let's say London. No. Let's say Rome. All lowercase without the R. Yes, the answer is Rome. Well done. Now if I run this again, and I say Rome or capitals, it'll still take the answer as if it's with a capital R and a lowercase O-M-E. And of course, if I type it in with a capital R and lowercase O-M-E, it'll take that too. In other words, what's going on here is this little answer.title is converting any string that I wish into a string which begins with a capital letter and then has subsequent lowercase letters. It's a really smart kind of way of forcing the user, even if they're a bit lazy or they don't want to type in anything that is other than capitals or whatever, or they're not used to typing capital letters. Many people are not nowadays, sadly, he said. Then this will do all the work for you. This will convert it for you. This is not the most important thing. The most important thing is the while loop. So as long as the person who's answering doesn't give the answer of Rome, then it will keep on looping and saying incorrect forever until you do give the answer Rome. In other words, it's not Rome, and of course not Rome means it is Rome, and then you print yes, the answer is Rome. I hope that is crystal clear. Thank you and goodbye.